Hello, today we're reviewing the Western Digital 12TB external hard drive. Welcome to jgeos.com, graphic design, photography and video. Let's get into it. So I've ordered a 12TB external hard drive. I was going to say Seagate then, but it's not. It's a Western Digital 12TB. Straight from Amazon. It was £20 off at the moment at £180. I'm using this because my time capsule I think has got a bit of an error on the hard drive, so I'm going to replace that with this, and I'm going to show you how to do it as well and set it up on the Mac, and we'll do that a bit later on. So here goes the unboxing. So Amazon always like to put their black tape on. This must be the power cord with USB. Don't know how long that is, but it looks probably long enough for what I need anyway. So these like plastic molded ends to protect. So yeah, it's a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it was going to be much bigger than this. And yeah, it's got a power button on the back, you can see. And USB input as well. Take this off, it's quite satisfying. It's like a curtain. Okay. There we go, we've got rubber feet on the bottom, and it's also got a lot of holes there for ventilation. So for this 12TB, I'm probably going to partition it into 3 sections of 4TB, one for a time machine, and the 2 other segments as external hard drives on here. For all my other stuff, for work stuff, for Lightroom, photographs, and for also Final Cut projects as well. So the next bit you'll see me setting it up. Thanks very much. Got my Western Digital set up, and it's next to my computer, and yeah, it's just a USB that goes from the back of the hard drive with a power supply to the back of the iMac. I'm not sure if you can hear, but it does have a bit of vibration from it. It's probably, in terms of space, it obviously it's less space than the time capsule, because my time capsule sat in this particular area, so there's less wires. It would have been nice if it was a network drive, but hey ho, you can't have everything. 12TB, it's all partitioned, as I've shown you up there, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So far, so I've got my Western Digital 12TB drive set up and partitioned. So I have partitioned it as a time machine, as my video backup stock, as my photo library for Lightroom and iPhotos or photos, and also my creative stuff and video HD as a separate Western Digital 4TB hard drive. So yeah, really good. I've called it 12-ton Terry from a Western Digital hard drive. It's very noisy. It's I thought it would be quieter than it actually is, but it is noticeable when it's sat on my desk, as pictured here. Please like and subscribe. That would be greatly appreciated.